Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring an exciting topic, how to make money with 3D printing. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. 3D printing has opened up endless possibilities for creativity and entrepreneurship. Whether you're a hobbyist or a tech enthusiast, you can turn your passion into profit. Let's dive into some practical ways to make money with 3D printing. Step 1. Selling 3D printed products. You can design and print unique items like jewelry, home decor, phone cases, or custom figurines. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon are great places to start selling your creations. High-quality niche products tend to attract more customers. Step 2. Offering 3D printing services. Not everyone has access to a 3D printer, and that's where you come in. Offer your printing services to local businesses, schools, or individuals. You can charge for the print time, materials, and design services if needed. Step 3. Creating prototypes. Many inventors and startups need prototypes for their products. You can collaborate with them to create functional prototypes, helping them bring their ideas to life. This can be a highly profitable niche if you have the skills to produce accurate and reliable prototypes. Step 4. Teaching 3D printing. If you're knowledgeable about 3D printing, consider teaching others. You can create online courses, write ebooks, or offer workshops. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare can help you reach a wider audience and generate passive income. Step 5. Designing and selling 3D models. If you have a talent for 3D design, create and sell digital models. Websites like Thingiverse, MyMiniFactory, and TurboSquid allow you to upload your designs and sell them to other 3D printing enthusiasts. Step 6. Printing customized items. Personalized products are always in demand. Offer customization options for your 3D printed items, such as adding names, logos, or unique designs. This adds value and makes your products stand out. And that's it. A quick guide to making money with 3D printing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your 3D printing ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Follow the video description box and find ways to earn more money. If there is any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.